Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn your photo into a realistic wooden statue using Pippit AI. So Pippit AI is an AI creative platform that will help you generate AI images, creative designs, or realistic visual transformations in just a few clicks. And in here you can, and then in here we will use these tools to turn your photo into a realistic wooden statue. And and if you want to try these tools, you can just click the link in the description or pin comment to access this tool. And okay, let's get started. First, just open Pippit AI like this, and you will see the homepage like this. And then just go to Image Studio, and then just tap on AI Designs. And then in here, just upload your photo. Upload your photo. For example, like this. And then next, just write your prompt. Before I already prepared my prompt like this, you can just copy my prompt, or if you want to try to create your own prompt, just create it as you like. And then next, just choose your model, and then choose your resolutions, and then the ratio like this, and then just submit and wait for the process. Okay, like this, you can see the results. I think it looks so good like this. It's really like a wooden statue with the detailed handcrafted art vibes like this. I think it's so cool. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.